welcome. My name is Teacher Mpamire on the street. Today's question is about knowing your body. Which body part do you wash first? And why do you start with that body part? Let's find out. Do you know your body very well?
Exactly, I know my
So
body.
can you show me your shoulders?
It is here.
Aha. If I sing this song, I want you to touch every part of your body that I'm singing. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Which part of your body do you wash first?
Head. Head.
Why?
Because head, I like head because it is my parts of my body which I like most. And when whatever I do, I use head. Head, I use head at my family. I use head at my work. I use head everywhere. When I play football, I use head to score the goal. That's why I use my head.
Oh. Yes, boss. How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you know your body parts?
I don't know my man.
Why? Do you know your body?
Head.
Eh?
Yeah.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
Head. Head.
Where is your head?
This one.
Why?
It works top of your body. Your head.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
The toys.
Eh?
The toys.
Why?
Because even Jesus, when he was washing, he began washing people's toys.
What?
Secondly, they always in the shoes. That's why he began with the toys.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
I first wash my hands.
Eh?
I first wash my hands.
Why?
Because it greets people. It ride by my bicycles.
Okay.
Even to say hi. And even to say goodbye. I have to use my fingers. Yes.
Which body part do you wash first?
I first wash my face because the eye can see everywhere and when you come, I can see you better. Yes.
Why?
Because God gave us the eye. You can see whether when the Satan can come, you can see, you can avoid that, and you can go and work very hard. And you can speak to another one.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
At first, when I wake up in the morning, I first have to kneel down on my knee. I pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. Then after, I go to the shower room. I shower. I come out. I greet my neighbors. Then my day begins from there.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
The knees. I first wash my knees.
Why?
Because my knees are the one that help me when I'm praising God. Like when I kneel down, then I start praising God. Again, when I'm checking for rats under my bed, I kneel down and
You're checking what?
the rats under my
Do you have rats at home?
They are normally there, but not common.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
Head. Because head.
Why?
Because I head half hair, it's half ears, mouth, nose, brain, and ears.
Why?
Because it's the owner of my body.
Which part of your body do you wash first?
I'm first in my hands.
Your hands.
Yeah. First in there.
First hands and head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Thank you so much for watching Teacher Mpamire. That marks the end of this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Mpamire, for more clips. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.